So thanks to these gift cards and the Black Friday deal, I got my very first Nook for $30. And I'm finally going to open it today. The reason I haven't opened it yet is because I wanted to wait until I got the case so that it was fully protected. But I used my reward dollars from buying the Nook to buy the case, so now I've got both. Let's open it. Today's Vlogmas is an unboxing. Woohoo! Before we open it to reveal this beautiful new tablet that I got, let me tell you why I got this specific one and not the actual like Barnes & Noble Nook. So this is the 9-inch Lenovo tablet that has Nook pre-installed. It's basically a collab between Barnes & Noble, Nook, and Lenovo. And I obviously got the Frost Blue edition because blue is my favorite color. The reason I got this one specifically, I wanted to get an actual Nook, especially with the like buttons that you can hit to like turn the page. But the reason I really want a Nook is I want to be able to get library books. And if you get a regular Nook, you kind of have to go out of your way to get the library books onto the tablet. You have to like use your computer to like download them. I don't even know. But with this, I can download any app I want. It has Nook pre-installed, Barnes & Noble Nook, their version of ebooks. That's pre-installed, but I can also get Amazon, I can get Google, I can get the library books, I can get any book app on this tablet. So that's the cool part, is that it's not just Barnes & Noble. I mean, I wanted to get Barnes & Noble, I was happy with just that, but I'm excited that I can have multiple options now. Okay. Trying to keep it in the frame. Okay. This is it. Ooh, it's a nice weight. That's the thing too, is I went into the store before Black Friday. They released the deal early and I went into the store and I actually like held all of the different tablets so I could figure out which one I liked in terms of like how it fit in my hand and the weight of it. One of the main complaints I saw about this one was that it was, you know, how big it is. It's not easy to read one-handed, but I was able to hold it like one-handed in the store, so I think I'll be okay. So, move that out of the way for now. Does it just slide out? Okay, I thought it... Oh my gosh. It's feeling real. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I love it. I mean, I would have been happy with just the silver, but of course I'm going to get my favorite color. So then let's see what we have in the box. Alright, I've got instruction manuals, and I think this is how you can get the SD card if you want. And then, yeah, cables to charge it. This middle part just empty. I think that's empty. Okay, that's the tablet itself. Let's go ahead and open up the case for it. Now you're probably wondering, Molly, why didn't you get the blue case that they sell for it? And that is because, while the blue case was beautiful, this is like the perfect like periwinkle icy lavender that I love. Like, this is my dream hair color. So I had to get this one because it's just freaking stunning. And yeah, I really wanted to make sure I got this before I opened it so that it is safe and protected. I didn't want to start using the tablet before it's protected. Okay, so it just opens up here. Look at that color. I love it. Okay, we've got some glass cleaning stuff, a foam insert that we don't need, and then let's see if I can figure out how to get the tablet in here. So obviously there's the holes for the camera, which I don't really expect to use the camera, but you never know. Okay, and that's it. Look at that. Super easy. Oh, and then like you can use this strap to hold it while you read, I'm guessing. But then it also, okay, so it stands like this. Look at that. Hello there. Stands like that. Then obviously the strap also can come around the front to keep it secured. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this bad boy charged up and we'll power it up and everything together. It's at 100%, so let's see if we can turn it on. Oh, I got a buzz. Alright, I didn't show you guys the setup because obviously it involved my Google account and I didn't want you guys to see all that, but I'm hoping that this would be the home screen and we can see what it looks like together. I linked my Google account just because I'm going to obviously use Google Books eventually, but I don't want my tablet to be my phone. I want my electronics to be separate. You know, this is for reading. My phone is for phone things. So I don't want all the it was like you can just copy everything on your phone to the tablet. I was like, no, I don't want YouTube on here. I don't want any of that kind of stuff. I just want books. I know that this has the capability to stream Netflix and stuff like that. I don't care about that. I just want books. Maybe that's really old-fashioned, but you know, when I listen to my vinyl records, it's on a vinyl record player. That's all it's for, right? I don't need everything to be connected in that way. Alright, here we go. Now deploying, please wait. There you go. Allow Nook Hub to send notifications. Here we go. Perfect. So this is the home screen. Oh, what are you doing? Thank you very much. Appreciate it. This is the home screen. I'm going to probably adjust some of the apps. I don't need every single Google app possible, but as you can see right here on the front though, we've got Nook Hub and Barnes & Noble Nook. So I think this is where you go to actually see your books. And then this is where you go to buy the books, or maybe it's vice versa. So I gotta set this up, figure all that out. Oh, look at that. Swipe down to lock the app, tap and hold to view more. Okay. Alright. But yeah, this is it. So right off the bat, the screen is really nice. Very bright and easy to read. I used to have an off-brand e-reader that my aunt got me back when ebooks first came out, back in 2012, honestly. But I was a bit of a snob back then because anyone could upload an ebook at that time, and so there were so many bad ebooks. Incorrect grammar, terrible spelling, no punctuation, God, it was awful. So I basically wasn't super interested at that time, but like I said, now I want to be able to borrow library books if I ever do a book club again and be able to read them versus procrastinating on actually going and get the book. So anyway, I've never really read books on a screen aside from that off-brand e-reader, and that was, like I said, 10 years ago. So just off the bat, this looks really nice. And okay, let me set this up a little bit and then we'll come right back. Okay, as you can see, I changed the wallpaper. I thought this was more my color scheme that I wanted, but it's really easy to change this right there, and it's preloaded with a couple options. This is what we had before. This is what I picked. I was tempted to do something more gay, and this is kind of got the blues, but it's got a lot of pinks and reds, so I went with this because this is my color scheme. So that's what we're gonna have. Okay, thank you. And then I went ahead and got rid of a couple apps and moved some over here for now because I want the home page to be just books. When I open this Nook, I want books. But I did want to show you, so when you tap this button, it shows you all the apps that are pre-installed. My God. So I'm gonna have to cleanse this because, like I said, I don't want to scroll TikTok. I just want to read books. This is my book. This is my book Nook. If I want to scroll TikTok, I have my phone. You know what I mean? I think I'm just old-fashioned in that way. I have no idea. And then what else was I going to show you? Oh yeah, so then the Nook Hub, I'm not quite sure the difference right now, but this is just kind of that's that. First time using Nook, so this is all new to me. But then this is where your actual books are. So as you can see, I don't have any because, again, never had Nook before. So I need to go and see if I want to buy anything, but also, like I said, I need to download like Libby, Google Books, Amazon, all that stuff, and cleanse that. But I just want to show you, like, if you do want this tablet for more than just books, it comes with loads of apps available. This is insane. But I just thought you guys would like to see that. I think I am done for the Vlogmas. There's still some things I need to do off camera, but like I'm gonna kind of like finish that with you guys. As you can see, I've got all the book apps that I want. I've got Goodreads, I've got Kindle, I've obviously got the Barnes & Noble Nook apps installed already. I have Libby, and I have the Google Play books. I put this one up here because this is like where you actually get your books, so I have all of them in a row, and this is just kind of like the hub, so I thought it is a nice like leading down to each other, up, whatever. Okay. I don't know how to get rid of this or edit the apps in there. I'm still figuring that out because I don't need the text message one. Whatever. It's just me being an old-fashioned person. And then I decided page 2 or screen 2 could be widgets. So as you can see, there's nothing to show because I have no books right now, but this will be my Barnes & Noble books, my Google books, and then I can find library books through this widget. So I thought, you know, easy access apps right in the front, widgets right there. So yes, basically it's all ready to go. I just need to like log in and start getting some books. But I hope you enjoyed getting to see this really cool new tablet of mine. Also, I found out that when you close the cover, it automatically locks. Fancy. And if you're thinking about getting this tablet, hopefully there was parts of this video that helped. I definitely did a lot of watching videos. Why are you already twisted? Oh god, I just want a video to go the way I want it to go. Anyway, I did a lot of video research before I decided which tablet to get, and hopefully this video, while it's not a direct review, maybe it had some information that will help you decide. And yeah, I am very excited though. Like I said, I don't really have a lot of experience with e-readers, so this is kind of my first time. Now that it's gotten better, like I said, when I first got my off-brand one 10 years ago, ebooks were no man's land, fair game, anyone could upload. Now it's a little more controlled, but yes. Anyway, tomorrow, I don't know what the plan is. I think maybe we're going to see the Tanglewood Lights, which is a tradition every year for us, so maybe I'll film some of that. Otherwise, I'm not sure what other content I'll make, but I'm hoping to. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good night. Right as I want to film, it has to update.